show you how our cute little evolution salt inhaler works. And one of the things that I love about this is I get to do my pranayama or breathing practice every morning and every night with it. It has salt in it, you can hear that, and this is the salt crystals. The one that I've had at home, it's been 2 years and I still haven't changed it out, but it's great to use the pink Himalayan salt, which is sea salt. And you'll place it over your mouth and you just inhale through the mouth. You hold it into your lungs as long as you can, and then exhale through both nostrils with your tongue relaxed at the roof of your mouth. And just a couple puffs in the morning, a couple puffs in the evening really do the trick. And what's great about this is it's additive free. Anybody that uses any inspiratory products from doctors or whatever, they are using something that's going to be hydrophilic, which is what the salt does. So it goes to the base of the alveoli, those cute little sacs at the bottom, and it helps with pulling a little bit of fluid to release anything that may be deep in the lungs. So it's great for your immunity. And let's see what else. So halotherapy has been used for thousands of years. And one more thing I want to say about it is that it is the simplest, easiest thing to do that will help promote health and vitality of your lungs. A couple puffs in the morning and at night and you're all set. Thank you.